Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today, as you can see here, with another 23 trades I put in, and I'm showing again how my new method, which is called how to make 10K a day trading mini lots. So what I did was traded 0.5, which is 5 mini lots on each and every one of these. Concept is easy to understand. You're going to do multiple instruments and multiple positions. Now, if your goal is $1,000 a day, you would trade exactly the same way. Only difference is you'll do less instruments, and you can start with say 1 mini lot. Anyhow, I teach all of this information within the course, within the training videos, and it's called How to Make 10K a Day Trading Mini Lots. There's 23 trades I put in, and I clicked on this symbol right here so that they're all put together in order here. Not money order, but instrument order. This system has the pip trigger, that's the upper and lower channel. The arrows here, the super signal, has some oscillating indicators down at the bottom. Now you'll get the audio alert and this pop-up box here suggesting to buy and or sell. Now I try to get in front of the computer at 6 o'clock in the morning, right where this vertical line is, and the time at the moment is only 10 a.m. as I am done trading for the day. As you can see, I made well over what I'm looking for, 200 pips or ticks a day. Now, I'm checking out, the way I trade this method is I just trade futures. It's much easier to do futures than Forex. And then I'm looking at my daily trade plan, and then I'll manually put in this white arrow just to remind me if I want to be buying and or selling. And as you can clearly see, today the market was bearish. Everything I sold. And as you can see on my daily trade plan, other than this DAX 30, which I didn't trade, everything else, oil going down, was bearish trades and some were preferred. So if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you are failing. This daily trade plan helped me a lot. Easy decision to make. I see this and I know I want to be selling. So now we can, if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, there's more information right below this video in the description. And of course, if you need more information, well, just get in contact with me. So we have a lot of trades to go through, and I don't want the video to be too long. So on this first one I did 4 positions. Gold was 2. Some of them were 5 positions, and I think one of them was 6 positions. Anyhow, on this first one, Dow Jones, let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Remember, I sold everything. Arrow from the daily trade plan. Now this one normally pays, if you do one standard lot, it's $5, so $5 divided by 2. So on every one of these, Dow Jones, I divided by 2.5. Calculator says on the first one, I'm looking for 154. So from there to there, looking for 154. There it is right there. That paid out 385. On the next one here, I took this later on, an hour and more than an hour later. So later would be over here somewhere. Right in here. This one happened to be, calculator says it's 78. So from there, whoops, get the right one here. 78 we're looking for. There it is right there. That paid 195. On the next one here, I took the trade 2 minutes later. So it's right around here. 2 minutes later. Now this one says, calculator, I'm looking for 67. So let's see, 67. There it is right there. And the other one, since it's the same amount of money, this one also should be 67. Let's say it's here. We're looking for 67. There it is. And money-wise, paid out on both of them $167. Okay, let's move on to gold. I only put in 2 positions here. Move this up a little bit. So I took the money, since it pays $10, and I did a half a standard lot. Well, divide that by 5. First one here says we're looking for 66. And the second one here, calculator says it's 16. So on the first trade, which was just before 9 a.m., first of all, let's bring the gold up here. Another one I sold, drag and drop this up, and did a pullback, then continued to work its way down. First one I said is 66 we're looking for. Okay, on this trade right here, I clicked on the second one here, so we'll do that one first. Calculator says we're looking for 16. So from here to here, we're looking for 16. There it is right there. 16, paying out $82. And the other one, I took it little around the same time, a little bit before. As I mentioned, this one here, we're looking for 66. There it is right there, and that paid out $332. Okay, let's move on to the NASDAQ. So moving our way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trades. Normally it's $20 for each tick. So half a standard lot. So divide it by 10. Easy to see. This one should be 185, 184, 163, 109, 104, and 83. So moving right along to the NASDAQ trades. First one got in at, let's see where I got in at. This one we're looking for 185, 185, almost there. Oh, that's as close as I can show. Next one is going to be very close. 184. Let's see, 184. There it is right there. 184. So the first one paid out 1843. Then this one above it was 1,853. On the next one here, took it at 744. Right at this point, this one we're looking for 163. 163. There it is there. 163. And on the next trade, took it later, so it'll be over here somewhere. This one we're looking at 109 ticks. There it is right there. Paying out 1,093. The one before was 1,631, as you can see. And on the next trade, took 4 minutes later, so it'll be right around here somewhere. And this one we're looking for 104, could be 105, whatever will pop in. There it is, the 105, paying out 1,048. And on the next one, took this one 10-15 minutes later, so it'll be over here somewhere. Right on this one we're looking for 83, somewhere in here. 83. There it is there, 83. Paid out $832. So the NASDAQ paid out pretty good today. I find this a great way to trade. This way here, I only have to trade 1 or 2 days a week. And I can have a wonderful extended long weekend every weekend. So moving along up to the Russell ones now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did 6 of them. Each one pays normally $10. Divide that by 2. So took the money, divided each one of these by 5. So we're going to run a check on that. The Russell. It's over here. So here we go on the first one on the Russell. Calculator says that this one should be 268. So let's see, 268. That's as close as I can get. Paid out 1,340. Next one here, let's see where I got in at. This one here says 243 ticks. 243, close enough. $1,215 on the next one. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Right around the same price. This one here is 222. I think it's this one, 222. It is 222. That's paying out. This one's 1,110. And on the next one, let's see where I got in at. Now on this one, calculator says I'm looking for 120. There it is right there, paying out $600. And on this one, drag and drop this up. This one should be 110. I think this is where I got in. 110. There it is there. That paid out $550. And on the last one, I gotta find out where that. I believe it's this one. Got out at this point, looking for 81. There it is right there. And as you can see, that paid out $405. Okay, now we can start moving on to the S&P 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, moving on to S&P 500. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at first of all. On the first one here, we're looking for 392. Since they're both exactly the same amount of money and I did two of them, so both of them should be duplicated. Calculator says both of these, we're looking for 392 ticks. 392. There was one right there and another one right here. 392. Oh, that's as close as I'm going to be able to show. And both of them paid out, as you can see, well actually $981. Moving on to the third entry or position. Took it just 9 minutes later. Somewhere over here, I guess. Right here. Now this one here, calculator says it's 352. So we're looking for 352. Very hard to get it right on, just to let you know, but that's close enough. 352, paying out $881. Next one I did here, which was an hour and 5 minutes later, over here somewhere. And calculator on this one says we're looking for 250 ticks. 250. There it is right there. That paid out $625. And on the last one here, 2 minutes later, took the trade. And this one here, we're looking for 242 ticks. 242. That's as close as I'm going to be able to show. 242, paying out $606. So another great day of trading. My Pip Trigger trading system. I added up all the ticks, and certainly a lot more than 200. Grand total for today came to 3,949. And all of those ticks, as you can see, got me well over the 10K, paid out $18,925. So if your system's not producing, like my Pip Trigger trading system, I recommend you get your hands on it. Don't forget about the daily trade plan. Don't forget about my FibMaster tool. I do have 5 packages, as you will see below in the description, with a lot of information. Now, if you have any questions, well, you can just pick up the phone and call me. All my information is right below this video in the description. Now, if you can't call me, that's okay. Just send me an email. Now, I really prefer Teams, because with Teams we can talk live, do screen sharing, and I should be able to answer most of your questions. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on the link and we'll have a connection. And you'll also see, as I mentioned, there's 5 different packages. You'll see in the description. Do charge $250 for each package, and I do have a special deal. If you just want to buy one package, that's okay. That's $250, as I charge $250 for each package. But if you buy 2 packages, I charge $400. And of course, if you want 3 packages, it's a further discount. It's only cost $500. All these prices are in US dollars. Went past the 15 minutes. I try to keep it within 15 minutes, but a lot of trades I did today. So definitely time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, if you send me an email with your name, and of course I'll have your email address, I'll put you on my list for free weekly trading tips. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.